Hi everyone, today's challenge has us back in the kitchen, one of my favourite spaces, and Alowina from San Diego, you asked for this one. Today it's about the kitchen utensil drawer, and I want to show you my kitchen utensil drawer because every time I open this, it really makes me feel kind of happy and relaxed and unstressed because I've arranged like things together. I've used clear plastic containers to corral-like things. There's a set limit on the number of things I can have in this drawer, and I can quickly and easily find what I want, whether it's a knife or a vegetable peeler. So, I want you to tackle your kitchen utensil drawer today. Get everything out onto the kitchen counter, get rid of any of those items that no longer are used in your kitchen, get them off to charity, and then arrange like things together, and I promise the sense of happiness and achievement over something as simple as a kitchen utensil drawer will flood your heart. I know that sounds over the top, but I promise it'll happen. Let's hear how you do.